Every time you light my face, I do wanna say it's you, my babe. I won't be too late.
Morning. It's currently 12. I overslept a little bit today. I was so tired and I'm still jet lagged actually from live, but it's the last night that I get to get good sleep before I head over to Vietnam. Breakfast, first meal of the day. This is an unlimited meal, so this one comes with a snack. I'm so excited to eat. Okay, you ready? Let's eat.
외부랑은 갔는데 생각을 했는데 다른 이제 실험자들이 이 실험 번호 확인 받아서 그냥 그렇다 이렇게 처음. 너만 먹으면 돼. 난 그럴 게 아니야.
Enjoy the moment right now.
내가 이렇게
Wow.
잘생긴 흔적이 한번 안 될까요?
Do you see it? It's Namsan Tower.
Was doing one, but it's like, I don't know, I feel like for me, like, I'm maybe not really suited for long term, like, I'd rather just, like, just he just was like, oh yeah, let's, like, get dinner, like, whatever, and, like, does he speak English? Yeah, well, he's actually from New Zealand, and, like, this is so funny, this is such a red flag. No, but this is such a red flag, because I follow him, oh, thank you, I follow him, because, like, you know how my ex-boyfriend, like, he wasn't a professional golfer, but he used to play golf, like, in college. Yeah. He's, like, big into golf, whatever, so we used to watch his YouTube channel. So, this YouTuber, the golf YouTuber, and then, so, like, I was like, this is crazy, so, like, I'm on Hinge, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm like, see this guy, I didn't even realize it's him, like, I'm like, it's just this really cute guy, and I'm like, he has, like, some thirst trap photos. So I'm like, okay, anyway, no, he's, like, Korean, yeah, but then, and I was like, Korean, cute, yeah, and then I'm like, looking at his phone, I'm like, wait, so familiar, and then I looked on Instagram, I'm always following him, he was like, do you have Insta? And I was like, Insta, like, my ex still follows, like,
The state of mind is crazy, but it's okay. I decided to write one more to my friend who I told that I will send him one. I will send him a postcard. So I'm just gonna send it to him. And it's his birthday soon actually, so I feel like, well, this is the only thing I can give you. So you better just take it. Oh, extra planet. fancy tea drinks. I'm a little bit over, not gonna lie. I am a little too overwhelmed. Yeah, this is not my spot. Look at this cafe though. Ooh. See. Look at that. I wanted this for so long. A little tip, do not get it from the K-pop store that you see in Myeongdong. Get it from Artbox, okay? Okay, let's see which ones are there. Big ones. Oh my god, I love the reddish one. Look how cute. But I also want mushroom. Okay. I'm gonna open this one too. And I'm not gonna have to take too many boxes back. Yes, you're a bit rough with that, huh? My sister would love these, but I got a lot of things for my sister, so I'll see if I want. Maybe I'll get them the thin ones. I'm currently in Olivia. Girl, there's so many things and I'm just getting things for my friends. Okay, I think I'm not gonna be able to get everything that they asked for, but I'm gonna do my best. I'm only here because yeah, G-Drag left. Oh, is it open? Oh, it's closed. 너무 예쁘다. So cute. Cute. My last meal in Korea. Well, last meal in Korea because I'm still gonna get some coffee after this. But yeah.
있어 이게 있어. 저기 가.
아, 예.
아까 먹으면 슬라이스 이렇게.
아, 네. 왜 순대?
순대 이게 동그란 말고 있어. 패스.
슬라이스. 네, 알아요.